golden nuggets. I would pluralize that and say golden nuggets. It was very eye-opening on different levels, but what I can take away from what I have garnered over the last day and a half is perseverance, being personal. It's taking into consideration the wants, needs, and how to factor in how do we go ahead and ensure that our clients are getting the best quality for what they're paying for. So I think those are very key components, and if we just do those things, I know for a fact that not only will we grow as a company, but also our client base will also grow as a result. Motivated me. Alright, so I'm new to the company, one, and two, my background is a little different, but coming into this company and seeing the diversity in, employees, management, everything, and just the culture of the company and how different people have different angles, different perspectives as to how to accomplish the same goal. But sometimes, and this is what I love about it, I might do something and I think it's efficient, but someone else has another way of doing the same thing which is even more efficient, and we learn because we're all together and we're bouncing ideas and everything off each other. It just shows you how much talent, how much passion is behind CarData. So going into 2021, I know for a fact that I've never done sales before, but I'm going to do sales. There are a lot of things I haven't done before, but I know I'm going to be able to do them now because what? We got the information. Because those presentations that were given, they were so good. And I know that I'm amped up and I'm ready. So 2021, look out.